Hi, this is Jen at Making the Photo, and this is the news. It's been a wild week in the world of AI image generation. Getty gets AI, Adobe unveils new generative AI models, Canva introduces new AI tools, and Leonardo does something magical with Alchemy. Oh, and Midjourney's upscaling. Get ready for an exciting roller coaster as we dive into the latest headlines and see what's making waves in AI digital creation. First up, in a major industry move, Getty Images waded into AI image generation with the launch of Generative AI. Using NVIDIA's Picasso model, exclusively trained on Getty content, this tool allows you to create images simply by typing text prompts. This seems a notable change in stance by Getty Images concerning AI-generated images. Getty Images had initially banned AI-generated images due to concerns over copyright. They believe AI art generators have been trained on photos and art, some of which were from Getty Images database. This new move seems like Getty's attempt to maintain control and monetize their image assets in the era of AI art. But you'll need an expensive $2,000 plus subscription to access it. While intriguing, the high price point may limit widespread adoption. It's yet to be seen if creators will pay up for legal access to Getty-powered AI images, and the quality needs to be pristine. So while generative AI opens up new creative possibilities, costs may restrict making it available to all. The creative powerhouse Adobe has unveiled exciting new generative AI capabilities across its products. Photoshop's Generative Fill and Generative Expand are now available in the newly released version of Photoshop. Previously, they were only available in beta Photoshop. These tools let you fill in image areas with AI-generated content. In Illustrator, you can now convert text into vector graphics, which can then be scaled and edited without losing quality. Generative Fill and Text-to-Template features are now available in Adobe Express. These features let you generate new content from text prompts and templates, making it easier to create high-quality designs without having to start from scratch. Updates to Firefly, Adobe's text-to-image generator, promise enhanced results. I'm looking forward to see how this update does head-to-head with DALL-E 3. And Adobe brings more AI to Lightroom with automated lens blur. Lens blur makes it easier than ever to add aesthetic blur effect to any photograph without requiring an expensive camera. With these new AI powers, possibilities are endless for generating stunning new visual content. Looking to empower users, Canva has introduced new AI-powered tools, Magic Expand and Magic Grab. These tools are part of a suite called Magic Studio, designed to transform images, text, and designs. Magic Expand lets you automatically fill in the area outside the edge of your image. No more missing background pieces or the need to manually adjust for different aspect ratios. Magic Grab is image editing magic. It automatically selects the subject and lets you move it around the image. You can use Magic Expand and Magic Grab with Canva stock images or with the images that you upload. As a famously easy-to-use platform, the addition of AI-powered image editing aligns perfectly with Canva's mission to make graphic design accessible to all. Both tools make it easier for users to edit and transform their creations in a few simple steps. Looking to boost image quality, Leonardo AI unveiled an upgrade to its Alchemy tool for enhanced AI image generation. Toggle on Alchemy and you will instantly notice an enhancement in your images, coupled with a larger image output. And you can select from a variety of Alchemy-specific presets, offering a tailored image generation experience. Alchemy is compatible with all platform models, but not all Alchemy features work with all models yet. Along with Alchemy 2, Leonardo announced two new custom Stable Diffusion models, Leonardo Diffusion XL and Leonardo Vision XL. Both promise better prompt adherence, superior image quality, and more complex output. And after you create an image, click the Alchemy Refiner button. This upscales and improves your image. You can select how much to change the image, and smooth mode can substantially enhance image coherence and improve hands and faces. The upgrades address the growing demand for ever better quality in AI image generation. The company aims to remain competitive in empowering digital artists and photographers to produce stunning AI-generated images. For discerning users, these latest advancements offer a new way to take their AI artistry to the next level. Midjourney released 2 new AI upscaling tools this week, allowing you to sharpen image details and increase resolution 2 times or 4 times. The subtle upscaling aims to remain faithful to original image characteristics while enhancing image quality. Midjourney is also beta testing a redesigned website with improved search and discovery functions. But the new site currently lacks key features like collections and bulk downloading, available on the existing site. If beta testing goes well, the Midjourney team hopes to replace the current version of the website and start adding features. One of the major features will be image creation directly on the site, outside of Discord. And finally, Midjourney has released a mobile app. The app is designed for Niji, but you can make Midjourney version 4 and version 5 images on the app. And it appears free trials are back, but only on the mobile app. It's been a wild ride this past few weeks in AI image generation. The AI art movement is shifting into high gear, and I'm excited to see where it takes us next. I'll be diving deeper into some of these news stories in upcoming videos, so hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. And tell us which news stories excited you the most and made you say, "Wow, tell me more." This is Jen at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.